Hey, howdy. Tell me about the Sunjoe 14 amp electric wood chipper. Well, this 14 amp electric wood chipper works really well with 1 to 2 inch branches I've found here at the property. And here's an outside look. That's where you put the branches in. And it does have this paddle that helps you push the branches down into the cutter. And I'll give you an example of how it works. Are you interested to learn more? Then follow me, Justin Bear, on Barely Gardening here on YouTube. Thanks, howdy. Until next time, happy gardening.